Alright, today we're looking at the Depstech endoscope. So this is going to be the perfect device to be using on the job or at home, or even at work if you're a tradesman and you're trying to look into hard to reach places. For example, plumbing, in the kitchen, in the bathroom, or even inside air conditioning units or inside walls and ceilings. Anywhere that's difficult to get to, those in between spaces. So what we're going to introduce today is the different ways that you can use this, all the different accessories we have here, and even how waterproof it is. So I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the basics. So unlike other endoscopes which are actually soft, this uses a hard wire, so when you're pushing it through you can actually be able to manipulate how it sits and the direction it is, and you can even use it as its own kind of stick there. So it's not floppy wire, it's actually a nice wire that you can use to push it through. So it comes with different heads, so you can screw this head off here, which just is the standard head, the protective face, and you can add a magnet, a mirror which can allow you to see on 90 degrees, as well as a hook if you need to retrieve anything from inside. So we'll turn on the device in a moment and you'll be able to see how it works. So I'll replace that there because we're going to start to use it underwater. So it comes with other accessories such as the USB to USB, micro USB cable, as well as the USB to micro USB charger. So the charging cable simply goes in there, and you won't need to use this. It's battery operated, so you won't need to use it plugged in. You can use it unplugged there. So we're going to go ahead and connect it and turn it on. So here's the on button here, and you can easily use it with single hand operation. As you can see, it has 6 blue LED lights here just around the camera, which is going to give you very nice true color, and you can adjust the brightness of them using this toggle here. So from all the way low off there, we can see it slowly increasing until it's quite bright. So this is going to go up to 1200p, so this is a very high definition camera, and we'll show you the function here. Okay guys, so as you can see, we've powered on here with the power supply. You can see the Wi-Fi button is blue and red there. So we're going to open our phone Wi-Fi to access the Depstech endoscope Wi-Fi, which is under Jet Ion. You might have a different number at the end. Our password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So now that's connected, we can go into the app, and I will flip it around here so you can see. Press start there. So here we go. We are now in the app. Let's have a look at the settings first. So we can adjust where this is resolution, all the way up to 1600 by 1200, 1920 by 1080. So pretty high resolution here. Reboot the Wi-Fi, clear password. You can set the revolution, set the Wi-Fi password, and your external storage. So your ID card in there. So you can switch the language as well depending on where you are. So let's go back here. We've got a screen that we can manipulate here. We've also got photos, so if we click there, it's going to allow access to photos, so that's going to store directly on our device and start filming as well. So as you can see, it's filming, and I click there to stop. So we're now going to prove that it's going to be able to go into water. So I'm going to take the endoscope here. You can see the phone. It's going to go into our water, fully submerged. As you can see, I'm going to look at the adjustment pieces out there. And as you can see on the screen, we have perfect visibility of those adjustable heads there. So I'll just put my hand there for reference. So you're going to have very clear view through the water there. out. It's going to work perfectly again. You can also look into your files to see where your photos are that we've taken. We've taken the photos there and our videos here. So that's the app. Very intuitive, very easy to use, very useful for those hard to reach places.